Slice it, glue it.
Hello friends, today I'm going to share with you all a spicy chicken called Nashville Hot Chicken.
Let's slice it.
To prepare hot chicken, in a bowl, I'm adding 1 cup of buttermilk in it, one-third cup of hot sauce, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix everything well. Today I am adding 1.5 pounds of chicken in it. I have washed the chicken with a little pinch of turmeric powder. The chicken has to soak in buttermilk at least for 2 hours. The tenderness, the juiciness of the chicken depends on how long we are soaking the chicken in the buttermilk. I would suggest to soak the chicken overnight. After 5 hours, the chicken is ready for deep fry. For that, I am adding half cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder. Mix everything well. The maida is ready now. Strain the chicken well from the buttermilk before starting to dust it. Do the same for the rest of the chicken and keep aside. Now the chicken is ready to deep fry. Make sure the oil is hot enough to deep fry the chicken. Turn another side of the chicken and cook well. Chicken has cooked well. Let me transfer to the plate. All the chicken pieces are deep fried well. Let me keep this aside. To prepare hot sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon paprika. Mix these in a very hot oil. Here I am adding around half cup of hot oil. Hot sauce is ready. Now apply this hot sauce on the deep fried chicken. Our hot chicken is now ready to serve. Friends, do try this recipe. We are going to enjoy this hot chicken with a cup of masala tea. I meet you all in my next video. Bye bye.
Let's slice it again. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe our channel. Bye.